This is the Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. The Morning Star Candlestick Pattern is a 3 candlestick pattern, which means it needs 3 candlesticks to be a completely valid pattern. The requirements for this pattern is that the first candle must be a bearish, which identifies a downtrend. As you can see in this diagram which I have labeled you for here, the first candle must be bearish. The second candle can be bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. This can be bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. The third candle must be bullish. I have labeled the diagram for you on the chart as you can see here. The first candle is bearish. The second candle can be bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. The third candle should be bullish. Morning Star Candlestick Pattern is found in a downtrend, which indicates a beginning of a new trend. Always use bigger time frames for optimal entries on the Morning Star. For example, the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. Avoid using the intraday charts because you can't identify clear downtrend over there, and it is of no use. To take the maximum profit out of this pattern, use it in the bigger time frames. Let's go to the chart and find a Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. This is the gold daily chart. This is the gold daily chart. Let's identify a Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. This is the Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. As you can see, this is a clear downtrend. The market was in a downtrend. This is a clear downtrend. The first candle is bearish, as you can see over here. The second candle, as I have mentioned, it doesn't matter, can be bullish or bearish. In this case, it is bearish. As you can see over here, the second candle over here is bearish, but it doesn't matter. It can be bullish or bearish. And the third candle is bullish, as you can see. This is the third bullish candle. This would be our entry point. When the price breaks the open of the bearish candle, this would be our entry point. This would be our entry point. As you can see, the trend changed after this and the price rallied all the way up. The trend changed after here and the price rallied upwards, as you can see on the chart. After watching this video, try to identify Morning Star Candlestick patterns on any desired pair you like on the bigger time frames. I hope you have enjoyed and learned. Let's move on to our next lecture. But guys, as I have said, always use bigger time frames to obtain maximum profit out of this pattern. This is a very powerful pattern and we must use bigger time frames, because on the intraday chart there is of no use. You can't identify the Morning Star Candlestick pattern on a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-minute charts. Always use the daily and the 4-hour chart. I hope you have learned. Let's move on to our next lecture. Thank you everyone.